Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download Friday Night Funkin on PC. If you are looking for download Friday Night Funkin for PC in Windows 10, 8 and 7, you should know that it is completely free game that is available for both 64-bit and 32-bit. In addition, not being a very complex game, the game files barely pass 200 MB and the requirement to play it are minimum. Friday Night Funkin' for PC is identical to the online version or that of any other platform on which it is available, but has the advantage of having hundreds of mods and skins that are only compatible with the Windows version. They recommend FNF fans to download the Windows version for this reason, as the mod grants us many hours of gameplay that do not exist in the original game. Download FNF Big 7 for PC. As of today, there are many options to download FNF Big 7 for Windows PC, but there are one that stand out especially above all. This option not allow you to access from the PC to the complete Big 7, but it include many more new features and improvements, highlighting more than 10 different modes of great quality. In addition, it is available for both PC and mobile. Here you can see the link of download. FNF Mobile for PC. Week 7 plus modes included. To download in 32 bits and download in 64 bits. The game does not require installation. Just open the file folder and double click on the executable file it contains. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.